had private messages pop up on your lock screen for anyone to see? Today I'm showing you how to hide sensitive notification content on any phone, whether you're using a Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, Tecno, Infinix, OnePlus, or even an iPhone. Watch till the end because I'll show you the steps for your device brand. Don't scroll away. This small setting could protect your privacy big time. Let's dive in. So for Samsung Galaxy phones, you open settings. And you tap lock screen and AOD, and you either select notifications or you turn show content off or hide content. So either of this down here, hide content or notifications to show. So let's say hide content. Okay, so you tap there and you will hide contents, or you can customize it by choosing which app in particular that you want to. If you go here, yeah, so here you can choose apps that can show content in lock screen notification. So this is where you go to select which apps that can show on lock screen. Okay, all right, so so now for Tecno, Infinix and itel phones, you open settings and you tap security or privacy, and you tap lock screen notifications, and you choose hide sensitive content or do not show notifications at all. So but on Tecno and Infinix, it's usually under security or privacy. Hide the details so your messages stay private. For OnePlus, Oppo, Realme phones, you open settings and you tap privacy and you tap notifications on lock screen, and you select hide sensitive content or don't show notifications at all. So on OnePlus or Oppo, on these phones, it's very simple. You get to choose whether to partially hide or totally hide your notifications. For iPhones, right? You open settings, you tap notifications, you tap show previews. Set it to when locked or never. For iPhone users, you can set notifications to show only after Face ID or passcode unlocks your phone. Total privacy. And that's it. Now you know how to protect your lock screen privacy no matter what phone you're using. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy and useful smartphone tutorials. Comment below. Which brand are you using? I love seeing where everyone's tuning in from.